this is why I love Publix. People, coupons right on the product for me with a BOGO sale. I mean, come on. Just fruit snacks are on sale BOGO at $2.79. There's a $1 off too. Printable coupon, I'll put the link to it below this video, or you can find the coupon in your Smart Source 823. Buy two, pay $1.79 after the $1 off two coupon, 90 cents a piece. Pick up some of these whole fruit bars completely free after coupon and Ibotta. I'm going to put the link to the coupon below this video. They are BOGO at $3.99. There's a $1 off one coupon. You can use it twice, so buy two, use two of the $1 off one coupon. Then there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, so you pay $1 a box for these at the register and then get $1 back from Ibotta on each box, so 100% free. These Dr. Prager's burgers are on sale BOGO this week at $4.99. There is a BOGO coupon in the link below, making these completely free if you are in a true BOGO area. If you're in a half BOGO area, it makes them $1.25 a piece. There's also an Ibotta rebate on some of the Dr. Prager items, so if you use Ibotta, check your Ibotta rebates. Dr. Prager has a BOGO coupon, and they are BOGO this week. So if you are in a true BOGO area, these would be completely free. And then bonus, there is an $1 Ibotta cashback rebate, but it's only on the plant protein ones, the pure plant protein. So make sure that you pick those up if you're planning on doing that Ibotta rebate, and you will make $1 off of each one that you purchase. The Ibotta rebate is up to 3, so you will only get $3 back for Ibotta, but hey, you're making $3 if you're in a true BOGO area when you're buying 4 of these. The link to the BOGO coupon will be in the link below. It did take a full 24 hours for most people to get it, so be patient. I've also posted the link to the coupon in the post. It's a PDF coupon. You can print as many as you like. There's no limit. I have to say, pretty shocked that there's still Cetaphil at my store for me to do this video. Alright, there is a $3 off sale on Cetaphil products. The baby wash and shampoo is regular price $5.49. $3 off of one of those would be $2.49. There is a $2 coupon in your Smart Source 830, making these just 49 cents. Stock up on these. It looks like the limit on the coupon is 2 per transaction. Get to pick up your parcel either. There is a $2 digital coupon. The discs are on sale for $3.99, and there's a $2 Ibotta rebate. So these are going to be completely free after Ibotta rebate and digital coupon. There is an insert coupon, but it's only good on the Oxy Power, which the cheapest ones at my store are $14.99. And then if you wait until Saturday, in the new extra savings flyer, there's a $2 off coupon on parcel, which you can use on these. So it's going to make them a money maker. So I'm going to wait and grab these until Saturday and use my digital coupon then. These Nabisco snack sacks are on sale BOGO at $3.29 there, or $2.99 depending on which ones you pick up. There is a 75% off too in your SF89, Smart Source 89. Buy two, use one of the 75% off coupon, and pay $1.12 for the ones that are $2.99. Pop-Tarts 12-count boxes are on sale BOGO this week at $3.40. In your RMN 726, there's a $1 off too coupon, making these $1.20 a box. Buy two, use one of the $1 off two coupon, and pay $1.20 a box. I'm not sure if the crisp and bites are included in the insert coupon since I don't have it in front of me, but they are on sale BOGO as well if you prefer those. Keebler cookies are on sale 2 for $5. There's a 75-cent off printable coupon. My store, there's these 75-cent off Peelies. If you missed the printable coupon, check for your store for Peelies, making them $1.75 a package. Early breads are BOGO at $2.99 this week. If you need that bread, it's the butter breads that are on sale. BOGO $2.99. Publix chicken drumsticks are also on sale. BOGO. And it's kind of crowded over here at the... Just going to see if the thighs were included. Yeah, the thighs are included as well. So you don't have to buy the big packs. You can buy these little packs if you prefer. Like the average price of the thighs is $6.64. And you can get the drumsticks, like these are $3.35, and then they're BOGO. So, picking up those this week. There were Blinkies for $1 off one of these creative roots drinks. They were at my store the other day. They're not here now. But if you snag some of the $1 off one creative roots Blinky coupons that were in stores, they're BOGO this week at $4.25. Seattle's Best K-Cups and the ground coffee are on sale BOGO. There are $1 off one printable coupons. Let me take you down to them. Down here. BOGO $6.99 for the ground coffee and $7.99 for the K-Cups. The link for the printable coupons is below. You would pay $4.99 or $2.50 for the ground coffee and $3 for the K-Cups. El Monte fruit packs are on sale, 5 for $10, which makes them $2 a piece. There's 75-cent off coupons, and there's also an Ibotta rebate. But wait, in the upcoming green flyer, or we're calling it the savings flyer now, that's going to take some getting used to for me. In the upcoming savings flyer, there is a Publix coupon as well, which is going to make these a money maker. I'll do the breakdown Saturday in a YouTube video. It's posted on my website right now. Looks like everybody's picking up their Go-Gurts this week. They are on sale BOGO at $2.59. There is a $1.50 off 2 coupon found in your smart source at 2. Buy 2, use one of that $1.50 off 2 coupon and pay 55 cents per package. Great deal, time to stock up on these. Additionally, on those Go-Gurts, there is a digital coupon, so if you don't want the insert coupon, you can at least pick up 2 boxes with the digital coupon. Best baby food pouches are on sale BOGO at $1.39. There's a $1 off 3 coupon when you sign up on the Earth's Best website. I'll put the link to it below this video. You'd buy 6, use 2 of that $1 off 3 coupon. Arm & Hammer. There is a coupon in your inserts. I'm going to add it to the best deals. I had a kidney stone Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Pretty sure it's passed because I'm out of the excruciating pain, but that's why I've been kind of MIA this week. I'm getting back into the groove of things, so I'm going to add it down below. There's a $1 off coupon in your inserts. Can't remember which insert this is, but I didn't order them because I wasn't feeling well. So I'm so happy that I have Peelies on mine. So if you buy 2, use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupon, you pay $4.49 for 2, $2.25 a piece. The fabric fresheners, crystals, sparkly things, dryer, these are included. But I think this Peely is only on, yeah, it's only on the power packs. Throw 2 of these in my cart. I needed something to round off my $50. And that's going to do it. These guys, Clean Sensations in-wash scent boosters, that's what I was looking for, are included in the sale. Pretty sure there's an insert coupon for those as well, making them $1.75 a piece. So come check your store. If you don't have the insert coupon, maybe you'll be lucky and find Peelies as well. Guacamoles are on sale BOGO at $3.99. There's a $1 off one printable coupon, which I'll put the link to below this video, making them just $1 a piece when you buy two and use two printable coupons.